All right, good morning, everybody. For those that care, this is the little house that we have over here in Indonesia, and I'll walk you through it real quick. All right, there's Young and Miss Nee right there. Miss Nee's getting ready. She's slow.
Yeah, slow.
Right. This is the bedroom here. We're settling in and getting ready. A little prayer room for those who need it. Second little bedroom. A little teeny tiny bedroom, but it's a bedroom. Back into the kitchen. Alright, this is the, let me find a light here. This is a traditional bathroom with a small toilet and water in a bucket. Then we walk over here and a little tiny refrigerator, a little tiny cooking area. And a little bathroom with a shower, heater, and a Western toilet for me. And this is our carport here. All right, I guess that's it, and that's the house.